Today I'll be talking about tips and tricks on how to keep your foot dry after foot and ankle surgery. Typically for the first 1 to 2 weeks after the surgery, the incision is still healing, so you want to make sure the dressings don't get wet, because if the dressings do get wet, it's a harbour for infection and wound complications. So if that does happen, please contact the officers and we'll make sure we change the dressings sooner. But at home, when you take a shower, make sure you leave either your post-operative shoe or your moon boot or cast on. All your dressings are kept in place. And the trick is either you can use a regular bin bag or bin liner. It just has to go above all of the post-operative shoe, cast or boot, so up to the leg level. And occasionally the hospital will issue you a shower seal bag as well. But what you do with a bin liner is you wrap it over all of the dressings and the post-operative shoe, and you pull it as high as possible onto the leg. And then what we do is we pinch the bag nice and tight to form a seal, and then you spin it and wrap it entirely around the entire leg, just like this. And then you use a bit of taping. It can be sports tape, duct tape, electrical tape, whatever you have handy at home. And then you seal the bag nice and tight with the taping. Once you've done that, you actually fold it down one time, just like that. And then you use another piece of taping, and once again, you seal it around again, just like that. Now for most patients, it's much easier if you have a bath or a shower chair or a commode that can assist to keep the dressings clean, dry and protected. But occasionally the water does still tend to drip through due to gravity. And in those cases, it can be handy to use something like a TheraBand or an elastic band or a sports band, and you can fold it to the shape. And once again, what you do is you seal it at the very top. Nice and firm. You don't want to do it too tight to make it as tight as a tourniquet, but you just want to be able to wrap it as a gasket seal. And once again, using your tape, seal it up one more time, just like that. And then fold it a tiny bit to make it nice and firm around the leg. So that should hopefully keep your dressings clean, dry and protected as you shower. Thank you very much.